You glance at your router or fiber box, expecting that steady connection, but instead the PON light is blinking. Internet's either slow, dropping, or completely gone. You refresh a page, try reconnecting Wi Fi, and nothing loads. Now it's that moment where you're thinking, what does that blinking even mean? If you're using a fiber connection from a provider or any similar service, the PON light is basically your signal linked to the network. When it's blinking, it usually means the connection isn't fully established. Sometimes it's a loose or slightly disconnected fiber cable. Other times, the signal from the provider side is unstable or temporarily down. And yeah, even a quick power interruption can cause the device to lose connection and start blinking like that. There are also cases where the device hasn't booted properly, so it's stuck trying to reconnect over and over. So instead of guessing, you just want to go through a few checks and see where the connection is breaking. These are the fixes. 1. Check the fiber cable and make sure it's securely connected. 2. Restart the router or ONT by turning it off and back on. 3. Wait a few minutes for the device to fully reconnect to the network. 4. Avoid bending or disturbing the fiber cable while it's connected. 5. Check for any service outage from your provider. 6. If the light keeps blinking, contact official customer support.